Where the papers at, Norbit?
Oh, got them for you right here.
I'd hate to be you right now.
Why?
Go in the house.
Go on in.
Go on in, fool. What you waiting for? Here's on me.
Hello? Chocolate drop, I'm home. Lollipop. Mail.
Expecting a letter, Norbit?
Oh, you frightened me. No, I was just looking through.
How was your date?
Date? Oh, that was no date. That was just, I just was over at what's her name's wedding rehearsal. That's all. It was a date, though.
Oh, really?
Lloyd. Is that you, Lloyd? Lloyd, what am I going to do?
What is this, Norbit?
Some kind of weird satanic potato art?
What's this?
It looks like the acid that we used down at the quarry.
Right. But this is Miss Pretty Little Thing's little face. And Norbit, if you ever see her again, if you ever talk to her again, if you ever so much as think about the bitch again, this is what's going to happen to her. How you doing? You get the picture, Norbit?